a creature right on camera here. Careful though, it's a dangerous animal. It'll bite your head off, maybe scratch it. Let's watch carefully, at a safe distance. Oops. Alright, we gotta be a little careful. Just might scratch your balls off. Look at it, blinking, acting so peaceful. I know where another one is too. Let's find it. Say goodbye. Bye. Alright, the hunt for the other beast starts now. Where are you, you son of a bitch? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, we're gonna have to look elsewhere. She ain't here right now. Let me know if you see any signs of her. Perhaps she'll go back to her natural habitat in the sewer. She might have flushed herself down the toilet so she could go back with her own kind. Let's check in here, see if there's any clues that she flushed herself. I'm not seeing any cat hair in there. Or in here. See? Crikey. She ain't here. We'll have to look elsewhere. I hear there's this rock that she likes to sleep underneath as a shelter, so she can't be found. Let's take a look. We just gotta find the light in here. Some light source. Bingo. Alright, I'm going in, and you're coming with. We're gonna check underneath the rock. Let's take a look. I'm not seeing any cuts under here. Wow. Oh shit! Oh, it's gone bad. We gotta run. Oh, crikey, oh. Did you see that? We caught the beast on camera. We got it. Real good, too. We caught it. Well, that concludes our show tonight about wild beasts. I think it got me a little doozy here. See you tomorrow night. Same time.